Okay folks, here's a brief video tour of the engine turning room at 40 John Williams Street. Won't find these machines around here any longer. These are the last collection. These are straight line. This is an oval or round and oval, otherwise known as a rose. There's another round and oval straight line machine. This is a brocading machine. There are 8 of these over at the other facility. Here's another rose. Quite a few saddles. Here's another round. And engine turning machines. Probably the last collection you'll see like this going to auction, maybe ever.